Alright, this is in Des Moines, and yes, I'm standing in the middle of the road. There's no cars coming, so I was safe. Had to get a view of the Capitol. I thought that was a nice little view to start the video with. Oh, but we are at the Teachout building. Teachout. We are going to walk into the Teachout. That's right, we got something pretty neat here. Oh, this is something neat. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is cool. Before we go, let's just get a look around this cab. This is a very, very tasteful modernization by MontgomeryKone, apparently. Normally they just would rip shit out. I've never seen a very tasteful mod. I mean, I like MontgomeryKone's, but normally they just did full replacements. Locked? Let's go to 5. What a cool building this is. I mean, just look at this. That is so awesome that they left the original elevator hoistway in here. I mean, they left the elevator pretty original, period. I mean, for what they did. Let's look out. Here's your certificate. This is neat. It's like neon down here. I'll just get a video of the elevator.
Okay.
This looks like a whole restaurant down there. I'm trying to see it through there. Window's a bit dusty. Could be cleaned a little. How is that for cool? That is an awesome, awesome modernization. I mean, it would have been cooler to see this original, but still, this is pretty damn close. Looks like they added these little access panels here. I almost wonder if this is new. If like the metalwork is new. It could be. Yeah, I think, well, I don't know. I mean, it's so maybe they like, oh, look at that though. Look at that. It's almost like they recreated a Birdcage cab. I think that's what they did. This looks, yeah, look, because oh my God, they didn't keep the original cab. They made a replica. That's fucking cool. I mean, they did a pretty damn good job. They had me fooled for a bit. That's so sick. All right, up to 5. I keep hitting 6 even though it's locked. I wonder if you see the counterweight. Yes, you do. There it is. I'm gonna watch it go down. See the counterweight come up. That is so cool. I mean, they really knocked it out of the park with this one. I will give them full credit for that. We'll watch it come back up. I kind of wonder what that is. It's like a private area. Interesting. That is awesome. Looks like that used to be a mailbox here, a mail chute. Anyway, that will be it.